Hi everyone, this is Chandni Singh and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to do this look done on Deepika Padukone. So before I start ahead, I just want to ask everyone, have you subscribed to my channel yet? If not, now is the time to do it. And once you finish viewing this, please make sure you leave a comment and do let me know what you think about it. And in case you wish to see a certain look, do leave a comment. Trust me, I read all your sweet messages. So I'm just going to quickly start with hydrating my skin. I'm applying some primer by Smashbox Cosmetics. So what I always love about Deepika Padukone's makeup is that she keeps her skin really minimal and very dewy. So make sure you are using a face oil and just not a regular moisturizer. Just a little bit of corrector. This is something I need to use. Deepika is blessed with flawless skin. So, but I'm sure even she uses it a little bit. And I'm just going to blend this in place. Never overdo your orange. Always keep it very minimal on your skin, guys. If at any point you feel you've overdone it, just take a beauty blender and dab it out. And now I'm just taking a little bit of my Makeup Forever foundation. And I'm just going to quickly apply, dot it all over my face. So now I've just dotted my Makeup Forever foundation all over my face. And I'm just going to buff it into my skin really well. And I'm just taking a little bit of yellow corrector and I'm applying it on the highlight points of my face. And the reason I'm also using a yellow corrector today instead of another shade that I usually use is because I have gone a tad bit dark on my skin tone just to match up to Deepika. So now just taking my beauty blender and I'm just blending this out. Also please remember, I've used very thin mediums on my face. The Makeup Forever foundation is known for its thin texture and I'm using LA Girl correctors which are really thin. However, I do recommend that your blending needs to be on point. I'm just gonna quickly set this with powder. Palettes today for this look, the semi-sweet chocolate bar, and I'm going to use this color right here called Truffled, and I'm going to edge it up a little bit with this color right here called Mousse, right? So right here, just take the Mousse. So guys, I had already applied my primer all over my lids. I've used my Too Faced Shadow Insurance, just a little bit of Mousse in my crease line right there. And I'm now going to apply the Truffle all over my lids. And I'm just going to go back with my fluffy brush to make sure these two colors are beautifully blended. And then I take another brush and I just apply the same color on the lid all over my lower lash line. And this color is applied really, it's kind of spread out. It's not like focused or not done with a sharp. So there you go, that's the eyeshadow. I'm just going to replicate this on the other lid as well now. I always do recommend 2 coats, the same color on my lower lash line, and I'm just gonna blend this out really well. And I'm just gonna finish this off with a wing eyeliner. And this makeup is all about the brows, strong, defined brows. finishing off the brow bone highlight. And I'm gonna just do a minimal contour for the look. Just a matte blusher. The blush I used was Fleur Power by MAC, and I'm gonna just finish the look off with a highlighter. I'm using the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt. Just very minimal, nothing too crazy. So I hope you liked this tutorial. If you really liked it, give me a big thumbs up, and if you wish to see something, do let me know. I will definitely try and shoot it.